Hi everybody, I'm Ron from Full Time Dream, and Judy's behind the camera, and today we're going to show you a little incident that we had. Well, welcome back. Today we're going to go over something that we did that we had to go through while we were at the meetup on the Mohican. You probably hear the water rushing behind you. We had the last couple of days of storms, and our creek is pretty full right now. But what was going on is that we were camping, and Dave from Following the Fitches and John from S'more Camping with the Shreds happened to come down and knocked on our door to let us know that we had soot and heat coming up out of from where our hot water tank is. So what we did is we switched over from propane to electric, and that took care of the problem short term. And then what we had an incident with is a little button that pulls it and turns so that this opens up broke. So as you can tell, we duct taped it to keep it closed for us to be able to make our trip back. And we're going to open this up and clean this out, something that we probably should have done in the last couple of years that we haven't done, and we kind of skimped on. Okay, so now that we got this open, as you can tell, we have a 2006 motorhome. So we have a little bit of surface rust on things that we could probably clean up with a little wire brush. But our problem is that our igniter is here and it blows through, and there's probably something plugging up or blocking coming through this. So we're going to blow this out real quick. Got the air compressor.
Whoa!
So this thing is in place. These two little tabs over on the side go in here, and this was goes folded up inside. You push this little tab in so that it comes out, and you can get it loose.
You can see how much.
You can see how much soot was there. We got a lint brush from cleaning out dryer lint in the dryer vents. We're going to see how that works as far as going in and trying to clean some of it up a little bit, get it a little cleaner inside. Okay, so we cleaned that out pretty good, and as best we can with the brush and with all of that. We did get quite a bunch of debris out of it and soot, and right now I'm going to go ahead and try to clean up some of these metal parts before I put it all back together, and we'll come back when we get there, okay? Okay, so that was a little bit of a dirty job. The only thing I used to clean up the parts was a little wire brush that we had and some fine grit sandpaper to clean up a little bit of the surface rust. You don't want to put any solvents or any type of thing like that on there, because you don't want to cause anything that's flammable to be in a place where there's flames. So that was a catastrophe averted. Thanks to John and Dave. I want to thank them very much for spotting that for us. And since we're doing this, we decided that right next to it, we're going to clean out the where the refrigerator is, the back behind the refrigerator,
And the furnace.
and try to do the furnace as well. Now the only thing that we need to do to finish this whole project is to get the new little connector onto here, and get some glue gun and clean the tape off from around the bin. In the meantime, while we're waiting for the we ordered the parts. When they get here, we'll go ahead and put those in, but in the meantime I'm going to find a small bolt to put through there that comes through with a washer so that we can keep it closed.
So we don't look redneck?
So we don't look like we're going down the road with a bunch of duct tape keeping everything, holding it together. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you can go ahead and hit that notification bell so that you can see any other kind of videos that we come up with along the way, and leave some comments down below. And on that note, we'll talk to you later. Bye.